Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering the essentials: server IP, port, and protocol, because without them, nothing will connect. Once done, make sure your credentials and any private key or MFA device are accessible. This prevents mid-process interruptions. Open your terminal or chosen client and run a quick ping or traceroute to verify reachability. This isolates DNS versus network issues early. If ping fails, switch networks or check firewall rules. Otherwise, proceed to authentication steps that follow. You now initiate the session, for example using SSH user at host P port, or by launching your RDP/FTP client and entering credentials. Use key-based authentication when available, because it's more secure. Make sure your private key file permissions are set to 600 so the client will accept it. When the client shows a host fingerprint, pause and verify it against your known host record. This prevents man-in-the-middle risks. Once verified, continue to establish the encrypted channel and wait for the shell. You finish by validating access. Run simple commands like whoami, ls, or check service status and open ports so you know the session is functional. If something goes wrong, gather evidence, save client output, note timestamps, and check server auth logs because troubleshooting needs data. Common fixes include confirming the correct port, restarting the service, adjusting firewall rules, or refreshing keys and passwords. If all else fails, revert to a saved snapshot or consult the server admin. But first try the precise, log-driven steps above.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.